So you decide that you want to make money with Etsy affiliate, but you don't know what is the commission, how it works, if it's actually worth it, and what kind of strategies you can do to actually make money with Etsy affiliate. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review the Etsy affiliate program, and then I'm going to show the strategies on how you can actually make money with Etsy affiliate, because I think Etsy got a really good market for affiliates, and I'm going to show step by step how you can actually dominate it. Now, of course, if you want to learn the top strategies that I use personally to make money with affiliates, that I make thousands of dollars monthly, I created a free masterclass down below in the description, and when you click on the link, you will add an email, you can register for it, you will watch it straight away, and then on a monthly basis I share with you the best affiliate programs, the best strategies that I use personally. All of that I teach you directly in an email. So it's up to you, you can join if you want. Let's just jump here for Etsy affiliate. Here you can join our affiliate program, you can apply now. When you would apply now, it's through the AWIN, and how it actually works. So when we look here on a commission structure, it's 4% on each qualifying sale, excluding sales returns and sales cancellations. So let's say you would sell something, someone who is going to sell for $200. It's going to be 8.3. So let's say someone is going to buy something for $1,000. It's going to be 40. So let's say for $1,000 sale, you would have 40 commission. You can have a 30-day cookie period on web, 7-day cookie period on app. Then it's going to be the banners. And to be eligible for our affiliate program, you must declare names of Etsy eShops you own or are close related to. Then who is eligible for Etsy affiliate program? To apply, however, certain profiles are not eligible for the program at this time, including cashbacks and voucher code sites. So this is how we do it. And this is how it works. So 4% is pretty good, and 30-day cookie period on web is really amazing, only because let's say someone is going to watch us a product, then they are going to leave, and let's say they are going to come after 15 days back, and they never been on Etsy before, and then they're going to buy the product. Still you are going to get a commission, which is pretty perfect. So there are multiple ways how we can actually recommend the products. Yes, you can use Instagram. Okay, you can use Pinterest. But the two free strategies that I really like is that if you're gonna use and start writing a blog about the products on affiliate, or the specific things that you can actually analyze. But what I always recommend, guys, you need to do the research first for the products that you want to recommend. So we can go Trello templates, right? Let's say that I've decided, oh my God, what is this? What is happening here? What is this? So real estate. Yeah, I'm going here because this is bugging me out. So we can have templates for Trello or for Canva or for weddings, or let's say for Canva. Okay, and we see the health and wellness Instagram Canva template. And then what you can do is to start writing a blog, an article about these templates, and then you would have a link down below as an affiliate, and voila, you're making sales. To do that, I would recommend using, if you don't want to write it by yourself, you can use a WriteSonic. You will have a link down below in the description. When you're gonna click on it, you're gonna get right here in WriteSonic. And if you're gonna actually use WriteSonic and pay for it, you would like easily message me on email, and I would also give you the tips how we can make more money with the copywriting. So you would just choose the Insta, Facebook ads, and you can click here article and blogs, and you can use the AI article writer that it's going to actually generate content for you about the Trello, about whatever you want to actually sell. So that's another way how we can do it if you just want to start writing. So we can have templates for Canva. We can make it for templates for Trello. Or just really whatever you want, what category you are comfortable in. But you have to, in some way, you have to understand, like, I understand the software. I'm really good at marketing. I'm not that great, let's say, with clothes and shoes. So therefore, I wouldn't write about it. I wouldn't create content about it because I don't understand the market. So you need to at least in some way understand the market that you want to sell to, and then analyze if there is actually an opening for you. So you can use something called Mangles. Mangles is amazing software. Again, you can have it that link down below in the description. Then you can use the keyword finder. And you can enter the keyword Trello template. Or you can use the SERP checker, SERP watcher, or rank tracking. And here you can easily analyze. I just like spending too much stuff on my own, but here you can easily use it. Mangles.com, you can use the free account to test it out, to see the market, if it's actually worth it. And that's how you can do it, right? So they got also the free account, free trial that you can use and test it out. And that's pretty perfect. So if you want to use and write articles, Writesonic and Mangles are your best friends. They are cheap, not that expensive, and you can test it out for free. If you want to create YouTube videos or TikTok, maybe even a TikTok is a good choice for it if you want to present something, some good products, and you can run even ads for Etsy. That's possible too. But with a YouTube channel, what you can do is to actually start creating YouTube videos in which you are presenting the products from Etsy. And that's like, but you have to actually buy them. And that's another thing, that you have to buy the product to review the product. But possibly if you want to use just a blog and articles, in the way it's much better, only because what you can do and what you can use is that you don't have to buy those products, that you can actually review them, find what other people were talking about the product, and then promote it. So you can do it that way too. And that's pretty much it. So here you would just click sign up and join program, and you just fill everything here. And that's pretty much it, how you're gonna do it. Oh, and my camera just went off. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.